Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Nuova Simonelli Appia machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. My tamping must not have been that even. I'm not the greatest with bottomless portafilters. Alright, but we have nice crema on the shot. And then let's go ahead and test the hot water. Hot water works well. And let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. I'm just going to look underneath. And I fixed the old hose was clogged. You can see I put a new hose on it. And so we're ready to go. So thank you for repairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.